That is how it's done.
Group A, Afghanistan A, Bangladesh A, Sri Lanka A, and Hong Kong, China. That's a strong-looking Group A as well. Group B, as I just said, India A, Pakistan A, UAE, and Oman. Right, let's head to pitch side to join the presentation with Atish Tukral.
What a start it has been to the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025, with Pakistan A registering the highest score ever on this ground and eventually winning the match by 40 runs against Oman. The Asian Cricket Council would like to thank our broadcast partners, Sony Sports Network, and all our sponsors, DP World, Hero MotoCorp, Air India Express, Indian Oil, Freeman's, and Kentaro. We would also like to thank all the government organizations, authorities, volunteers, and everyone involved in the smooth conduct of this match. In the presentation party today is Ms. Isha Chatterjee, head of Legal ACC, to present the Player of the Match award, and there could only be one winner. 96 not out, and then 2 for 14. It is Maz Sadakat. Brilliant display, an all-round display by this youngster, taking command from ball one, and then when he was handed the ball as well. Another impressive performance. If I could ask him to get for a few words. Maz, सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. 96 रन बनाए, नाबाद पारी, नॉट आउट रहे, फिर 2 विकेटें भी ली. इससे बेहतरीन मैच कभी खेला है क्या आपने?
सबसे पहले तो मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ. नहीं, सबसे ये तो मेरे ख्याल में मेरे लाइफ में ये सबसे अच्छा मैच यही है कि क्योंकि डेब्यू मैच भी था और बैटिंग में भी अच्छी की और बॉलिंग में भी, और शुक्र है पाकिस्तान को मैच विन की.
1 साल हुआ है सीनियर प्रो T20 क्रिकेट खेलते हुए. उस 1 साल में आपने ये सफ़र तय कर लिया है. जब आप पीछे देखते हैं, क्या मुस्कुरा कर देखते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, मुस्कुराते देखते हैं क्योंकि इसके पीछे बहुत हार्ड वर्क है और बहुत मेहनत की है, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उसकी रिज़ल्ट अभी मिल रहा है मुझे.
और क्या उम्मीद रखते हैं अभी आगे जाकर अगले कुछ मैचेस में? ऐसा ही प्रदर्शन तो करना ही चाहेंगे, कंसिस्टेंसी की रहेगी?
जी बिल्कुल, अपना पूरा कोशिश करेंगे कि ऐसे इसको बोल जाए और आगे मैच के लिए तैयारी करें.
चलिए, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. Maz Sadakat there, the player of the match from Pakistan A, scoring a 96 not out and of course taking those 2 wickets. Now I'd like to invite the captain of Oman, Hamad Mirza, to share a few thoughts. Tough, very, very tough match from ball one till the end. What went wrong in your opinion?
I feel we went wrong in our fielding. We dropped the catches, that's why we lost the match.
There was a point in time in the middle where all your batters just collapsed together. What was the thought process at that point? Did you want to consistently just stay in the innings, or did you want to hit those big shots because it's such a big total?
I think our guys are inexperienced, that's why they panic in the middle. They lost their wickets and we stuck. Our run rate came down and we lost the match, that's why.
Next match, UAE.
Yeah.
What is your approach going to be?
Same approach but with better fielding, and inshallah we will win the match.
Well, all the best for the next one, Hamad.
Thank you so
Tough
much.
luck this time. Hamad Mirza, the captain of Oman, sharing his thoughts, obviously talking about where the game fell through. But someone who'd be a happy camper would be the captain of Pakistani. If I could just invite Irfan Khan Niazi to share a few thoughts now.
Thank you.
Perfect from start to finish. Nothing could have been better.
It was a good start of the tournament.
It was absolutely a very good start for the tournament. In terms of the batting approach, we noticed that, yes, you were being careful at the start in the first few overs, but then every batter, when he came in, was just hitting it from ball one. Was that something that was discussed?
Nothing was discussed early on, but every player know the role of and when he go the wicket, when he read the conditions, then he play natural game.
Perhaps the only blemish was in those later overs towards the end when the 50s were being struck, the 6s were being hit by the Omani batters. What are your thoughts on that? Where could you have improved at that front?
Yeah, definitely we need to improve. But we have checked and some tries new in the condition. We have checked just new variations and some Yorkers as well.
And of course, the next match is the big one against India A. What are your thoughts there?
Nothing. We just play like a normal game, just like other teams.
Love it, love it. Nothing. Just take it as it comes, each game at a time. Irfan Khan Niazi, the victor there, Pakistan A, winning by 40 runs, and that's the end of the presentation.
Thank you, Atish. Game 1 done and dusted. Game 2 loading up. It's